Praisers and Savers, stay tuned to see how I got all these items, $122 worth of products for only $14.
Hey, Praisers and Savers.
Where are we?
We're at CVS, Mom's favorite place.
My favorite. And what are we getting today?
We're couponing.
Some good deals.
Good deals.
All right, we're starting with some cereal. Let's go.
Guys, if you've been on my channel before, you know my favorite thing to get in CVS is my breakfast items. So the Cinnamon Toast Crunch is on an amazing deal. You can get the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, you can get the Reese Puffs, Lucky Charms, any of these General Mills cereals. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick up 2 boxes of these at $1.77 each. Now, guys, these are usually $5.49, and if they are on sale, they're usually $1.99, but they are on sale for $1.77. So that's really, really amazing. So you're gonna pick up 2 boxes because you're gonna pick up 2 boxes to be able to get this $1 back in extra care bucks. And then you're also going to use this $1 off coupon. Now, if you don't have this coupon, no worries. There's also a $1 off coupon digital on the CVS app. So either or. So it's going to cost $3.54 for both boxes of cereal. You're going to use that $1 off coupon, either paper or digital, which brings it down to $2.54. And then you're going to get that $1 back in extra care bucks, which is going to make it $1.54 for both boxes of cereal. So pretty good. 2 boxes of cereal for $1.54. This still got even sweeter. I was able to use the $1 paper coupon and the $1 digital coupon, making this just 54 cents. All right, guys, you know I love this Microfold D spray. This is the Disinfected Spray. These are $9.99. You get back $9 in extra care bucks, making this just 99 cents each per bottle. All right, I never pass up this Paparazzi nail polish deal when it comes out. We usually have it once or twice a month. These are on sale. When you buy 2 of them, they're $5. If you buy 1, they are $2.99. So 2 for $5. And then when you buy both of those, you'll get back $4 in extra care bucks. So each bottle of nail polish is going to be 50 cents. And look at these fun colors. I'm getting both of these. So $1 for both bottles of nail polish is pretty good considering they were $5 in the beginning. All right, so I haven't been doing this deal lately. This is the spend 40, get $10 back. I usually like the spend 30, get $10 back, but I think that's not coming back anytime soon. I haven't seen it in the past month. So I need these big Tides. I love the Hygienic Clean. It's not the best deal. It's not going to be a money maker or a freebie by any chance. So what we're going to do is pick up 3 of these Hygienic Cleans. So if there's 3 on the shelf, pick up 3 of those. And we're going to use a $3 off coupon for all of those. And then I'm going to pick up a bag of the regular Tide Pods just so I can get to my $40 threshold. And I'm going to use this $2 coupon. Now this is on the app. And this $3 coupon is on the app. But there's only 1 on the app. So if you have some paper coupons and some digital, you can mix and match. When I pick up all 3 of those Tides and then the small Tides, get back the $10 in extra care bucks and also use all those coupons. My total is going to be $19. So that's pretty good. Not too bad. So $20 off. So it's 50% off. So I'll take it. All right. So I usually don't pay anything for toothpaste, but this isn't such a bad deal. So these Crest Scopes are $3.99. Now what you do is you buy 4. You know, it says to buy 3, but you need to buy 4 because there is a coupon on the app for $6 off when you buy 4. So that's a $2 coupon for each tube, which is really good. And then when you do that, you're going to buy all 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, $16. You'll use that $6 coupon, brings your total down to $10. Then you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks when you buy 3. Making these just $5 for all 4. So I think that's not too bad. We'll pick it up. $5 for 4 tubes of toothpaste. Got a little bit of a money maker on this Crest Total toothpaste. These are $3.99. We're going to pick up 2 of these, making our total $7.98. When we do that, we're going to use these $2 off coupons. Now, there is one of these on the app, and I'm going to use a paper one. So I can use an app one and a paper one. So a digital coupon and a regular coupon. So that's $4 off in coupons. Bringing that down to $3.98, I believe. And then you'll get $4 in extra care bucks when you buy 2. Making this just a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, the deal with this is you can actually do this 2 times per household per week. So I'm actually going to pick up 4 tubes of toothpaste and get a penny back on each tube. All right, Praisers and Savers, we had a great haul today at CVS. Small haul, but I like small and mighty hauls at CVS. I try to aim for at least $100 worth of items for free, and I hit that goal this week. So my total before taxes was $122. I only spent $14 at the store because I also used my CarePass membership, which is $10 off my order. If you're not part of the CarePass program, please sign up for it. It's a great program. I also used $3 in beauty bucks from a previous trip, but some of these items here will go for the beauty bucks. So $14 for everything you see here, and my original total was $122.15. So a pretty amazing deal.